If a solution contains 20 grams of glycerol and 5 grams of codeine, what is the glycerol percentage strength in weight over weight of the solution? So the question wants percentage strength of glycerol. So that will be equal to some number of grams of glycerol over 100 grams of the total mixture. The number is what we want. That's what we're trying to find. So I'm going to set up the proportion where we have 20 grams of glycerol over the total, which is 20 grams plus the 5 grams of codeine. Right, this denominator here is the total amount of drug in the mixture. And I'm going to force set it to our percentage strength formula here. Percentage strength equals the number of grams of glycerol divided by 100 grams of mix. See, both the mixtures on the denominator and just the grams of glycerol in the numerator. And I'm trying to find this number here. This is my final answer. I'm basically forcing it to be over 100 grams of mix. So you can do cross multiply, 20 grams times it by 100. Equals to this number sign. Cross multiply it with whatever this sum is, 20 plus 5, which is 25. And when we solve for this number, that will be equal to 80 grams. So they say including a leading zero when the answer is less than 1. It's not less than 1, so you don't have to include a leading zero. And then answer numeric and no units or commas. So your final answer in the computer is just 80. Hit enter, and that's your final answer. I know some of you that are like pretty good with calculations, you're gonna be like, oh, just 20 grams and 5 grams in the total mixture. You just put 20 over this sum of this, 20 plus 5, right? And that 20 over 25, that equals 80%, and that's your answer? Yes, you can do it that way. But this is like the most simplest type of question. If you get harder questions, this method would be kind of difficult to understand. You would have to be like godlike in math to understand what you're doing. And luckily for you, that's me. People who are just like extremely good at math, they'll get one of these questions wrong. I guarantee it. So if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. Thank you.